Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to blur a face in CapCut in seconds, so if this video helps, subscribe. Go to effects, then click on search for effects, and then type in just blur. And use a blur effect that you like. I'm just going to use this one. So drag down around the whole video or where the face is. So I'm just gonna drag it like this. Yeah. And then once you're finished, you can adjust the blur. So blur and click on mask. And you can click on add mask and it's gonna blur apart. But I do know this blur seems not to be working, but this works. So make sure your blur works. So here I have this blur, and what we need to do is click on mask, then click on add mask and select a circle. And here you can add the face. Yeah, and you can adjust the size of it if you want to. And now what we can do, let's say it's like this. So now click on basic, and you can, I believe, like position the blur. So like just play around. So yeah, I hope this video helped describe.